Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be walking you through our branded media kits feature where you're able to generate branded media kits that are automatically updated with statistics from social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok every few hours. Say goodbye to having to create media kits manually on Canva and updating statistics every few weeks. So firstly, what you want to do is click on the Create New Kit button on the upper right. This will open up a form where you can input more of the branded media kit details. So I'll fill this out real quick. You also want to make sure that you want to include all the relevant talent that you want to include in the media kit. So for example, I want to include Justin and Jose over here. So I'm just going to click on Create Kit, and this should generate the kit for me. As you can see here, you can then click on View Details to generate or to view the kit. As you can see here, we've now generated a media kit with all the talents that we've selected earlier and their updated metrics across the different social media platforms. Again, these statistics are updated every few hours. That way, your recipients and brand contacts are seeing the most updated statistics of the particular creator. In terms of configurability, you can also change the avatars for the different KOLs. So for example, if you want to change the profile picture of a given talent, you can just click on the pencil icon here and update it with the one that you want. So for example, if you want to change it to this particular profile picture, you can do that as well. You can also edit the creator's bio. So for example, if I want to indicate fashion creator, that's something you can do as well. You can also add tags for that given creator. So maybe you'd want to add fashion. You can also add brand collaboration. So for example, if a creator partnered with a particular brand previously that you want to highlight, you can just upload that brand's logo as a picture. So for example, in this case, I can just indicate Aloe, add brand, and this should already indicate that brand there. You can also indicate what platforms you want to include data from. So for example, you only want to include Instagram and TikTok. You can disable YouTube as well by toggling that particular option here. You can also indicate what data points you want to include in the media kit. So for example, if you don't want to show the total likes and total shares, you can toggle that as well. And that should remove that from that particular view here. Lastly, you can also configure the past work. So for example, you want to highlight particular posts that the creator has previously made and embed them in the media kit. You can also paste the post URL. So all you have to do is paste the post URL. So just click on that and click on add, and that should already automatically be embedded in the media kit. So I'm just going to fill this out with a couple more posts. So as you can see here, I've added a couple of different posts across different platforms. So we can see here that we have TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. These are all playable as well. So if the viewer or the recipient of this particular media kit wants to play it, they can just click on that button there. You can also change the color of the media kit by clicking on the Edit Colors button, where you can change the color theme. So for example, if I want to make it the background white and make the primary text black, you can do that as well. And click on Save Changes, and you should see now that the color theme has in fact changed based on the configuration. So for readability, I'm going to revert it back to the original color theme. Next, you can share this media kit to a recipient by clicking on the Share button, which should generate a link that you can send over to them. Using that link, they should be able to view the media kit publicly without having to log in, and they should be able to see the exact same configuration and data points that we highlighted earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our media kit and brand kit feature. Let me know if you have any other questions or clarifications. Thanks so much guys for watching.